So good morning students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss illustration number 23 from B.B.Dam book Partnership Fundamentals. Okay, part A, unit number 1. Okay, so here you see what is said in the question that Ramesh and Suren entered into partnership of 1st April 2020 contributing 2,50,000 and 1 lakh respectively. So year starts from April 1 and ends on 31st March 2021. Their capital contribution is 2,50,000 and 1 lakh respectively. Suren also introduced rupees 50,000 as additional capital on 1st July 2020. So Suren, one of the partner, has introduced rupees 50,000 as additional capital on 1st July 2020. Okay, that is for 9 months the additional capital was introduced in the business. They agree to share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Following information is provided regarding the partnership. Ramesh and Suren each are allowed a salary of rupees 3,000 per quarter. Okay, so there are 4 quarters in a year. Each partner is going to receive rupees 3,000 per quarter. Okay, and then you see interest is to be allowed on capitals at the rate rupees 8% per annum. Interest on drawings is at the rate 10% per annum. Drawings of Ramesh and Suren is given is 6,000 and 5,000 respectively. Profit as on 31st March 2021, that is before the above mentioned adjustments, means before this adjustments was made, was rupees 98,000. That is, this is the net profit, okay, 98,000. Prepare necessary journal entries relating to appropriation of profits. So here basically you have to pass journal entries relating to appropriation of profits, and you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, okay, and also you have to prepare the partner's capital account. Got it? So here you see I have done in the books of Ramesh and Suren journal entries. So the first journal entry will be for the net profit, that is 98,000. So it is profit and loss account debited. Okay, we write in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account, okay, the net profit. So it is profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Yes or no? Okay, it's 98,000. Then you see there is interest on capital. Okay, so Ramesh's capital was how much? 2,50,000. So on 2,50,000 you have to interest is allowed at the rate 8% per annum. So if you calculate, you will get 20,000. Then you see for Suren. Okay, here you see for Suren. So Suren has introduced how much capital? It is 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh it was introduced for 1 year. You see here 1 lakh was introduced for 1 year. So into 8%, okay, into 12 divided by 12. So 12 cancel, 0 cancel, it is 8,000. Okay, and then there is one additional capital of Suren. Okay, that is rupees 50,000 for 9 months. Okay, so it is 50,000 into 8 divided by 100 into 9 by 12. Okay, so when you cancel it out, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 zeros are cancelled, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so it is this is the working, okay. So it is how much? 50,000 was the amount of additional capital. Okay, then what is the rate of interest? It is 8%. So 8 by 100 into, okay, how much is the time period? It is the capital was introduced on 1st of July. Yes or no? So from July till March, it is 9 months. So 9 by 12. When you cancel it out, how much you will get? 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 2 zeros are cancelled, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 30 and double zero, it is 11,000. Okay. So 11,000 is the total amount of interest on capital for student. Got it? Then you see this amount of interest, that is 31,000, okay, will be credited to Ramel's capital account, student's capital account. Then it will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital account. Then you have to go for calculation of drawings. You see here what is the amount of drawings? 6,000 and 5,000. Okay, it is said in the question that during the year, okay, during the year, the amount of it is 6,000 and 5,000, okay, was withdrawn by Ramin and Surel. Okay, so here you see Ramin's capital account debited, Surel's capital account debited to interest on drawings. Okay, so here interest on drawings will be calculated for 6 months since the time period is not mentioned. Okay, so it is how much for Ramin? It is 6,000. So 6,000 into 10% is the rate of interest. Okay, into what is the time period? 6 by 12. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, and it is 2 3 is 6, that is 300. Okay, so 300 is the amount of interest on drawings for Ramin. Similarly, you take out for Suren also. Okay, Suren also, you will get 250. So this is the total amount of drawings, 550, to interest on drawings. Okay, so that you have to transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, the total amount. Then you have to go for partner's salary. So you know the journal entry, partner's salary account debited to Ramesh capital account to Sunil's capital account. So for each quarter, Ramesh is going to get rupees 3,000, both for Ramesh and Sunil. They are going to get rupees 3,000 per quarter. Okay, so 3,000 into 4, it will be 12,000. So 12,000, 12,000, you get 24,000. That will again be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account, that is a 24,000. Then you have to go for the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. So here you see the profit and loss appropriation account I have drawn. Okay, you see here profit to interest on capital. Okay, you have to put the amount to salary to partners, put the amounts. The net profit you have to write, okay, 98,000. Interest on drawings you have to write. Okay, so when you take out the total and find out the balance, that balance is shared amongst Ramesh and Suren in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, when you cancel out, you will get these figures, 26,130 and 17,420. Okay, so this is one of the journal entry, profit and loss appropriation account debited to Ramesh's capital account to Suren's capital account. This is transfer of profit. You have to put the amounts, you have to put the total. Then you go for partner's capital account. Okay, so you have to put the opening balance over here. Okay, then by bank account, Suren has got an additional capital of rupees 50,000. Yes or no? So that you have to put here. Okay, then interest on capital you will write, okay, as it is given. Ramesh and Suren you have to put partner's salary. Ramesh and Suren you have to put the amounts in their respective columns. Okay, then what is the amount of drawings? It is 6,000 and here you see this 6,000 and 5,000. So that you have to put. Interest on drawings you have to put, and this profit, okay, the shared profit written remains to them, that you have to write over here on the credit side. Profit and loss application account remains to them. Okay, you take out the total, okay, credit side will be greater than debit side. You find out the balance, okay, that is to balance CD. Okay, so this is the balancing figure. Okay, so hope you have understood this sum. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you.